Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your private browsing missing on iPhone. So if your Safari browser doesn't has the private browsing option, it's probably because you have turned it off on your setting. Now to turn it on again, you need to go on your settings. From inside your settings, you want to go inside screen time. From over here, you want to choose the option called content and privacy restriction. Click on it. And from over here, you can see the third option called content restriction. And this might be off. If this is off, make sure to turn it on and click on content restriction. And from content restriction, you can see the option called web content. Click on web content and make sure the unrestricted part is ticked. If you have ticked marked on limited adult websites, then that is basically causing the problem. So make sure you choose unrestricted. Once that is done, make sure your Safari browser is not opened on the background of your phone. So swipe it off. Once it's off, reopen it again and you should get the private browsing feature again, just like this. So I hope you understand how you guys can fix your private browsing missing on iPhone. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.